The ceasefire has provided the opportunity to distribute food, to distribute water, as well as shelter assistance and medical aid, allowing nearly everyone in Gaza to receive a food parcel. Our humanitarian partners tell us that following the closure of the crossings into Gaza yesterday, flour and vegetable prices increased more than 100-fold. Partners are currently assessing the stocks that are currently available within the Gaza Strip. UNICEF warns that the stoppage of aid deliveries into Gaza will quickly lead to devastating consequences for children and families who are struggling to survive. The agency says that between January 19th and this past Friday, almost 1,000 UNICEF trucks had crossed into Gaza, carrying clean water, medical supplies, vaccines, therapeutic food, and other material. Since the start of the ceasefire, UNICEF and its partners have provided warm clothing to about 150,000 children in Gaza and increased daily water distribution for nearly 500,000 people in more remote areas. Nearly 250,000 of children and thousands of pregnant and breastfeeding mothers have received nutritional supplement since the ceasefire took effect. Moreover, partners say fewer children are currently now enrolled at malnutrition sites. Meanwhile, over the past 2 weeks in Rafah and Khan Yunis and Deir al-Balah, partners have distributed vegetable seed kits for gardening. This will help communities eat a more diverse diet. Our partners are also working on the water, sanitation, and hygiene sector. Tell us that more than 1,500 water distribution points are operating across Gaza. This is double the number that we had at the start of the ceasefire. However, partners tell us that pipes and spare parts for maintenance are urgently needed. And as you know, we've been updating you on the work that World Food Program has been doing in increasing the large number of bakeries which are now operational in Gaza. And across Gaza, more than 100 public schools have reopened, accommodating some 100,000 students. In Gaza City and North Gaza, partners will use tents to ensure children can continue learning. Pallets will be recycled into furniture to support learning spaces. Today, OCHA teams visited displacement sites in Khan Yunis, where about 1,200 people are staying. These communities have not been allowed to return to their homes, which are located in the buffer zone. OCHA is working to mobilize assistance to meet their needs, which includes food, water, shelter, sanitation, and hygiene support.